Hey friends, so in this video we will learn about the how to create a traffic generation advertisement, right? So let's move to our profile. So we are at our profile, then we have to go, there are two options. You can go directly to create and add. Okay, so in this video we'll go directly. Okay, then you have to select your ad account. So let me select my ad account. Okay, then I have to go traffic, then traffic, then I'll give name demo class, right? Then I'll put this on. Okay, so what is campaign budget optimization? Okay, so there are two options. You can switch off this or you can switch on this. Okay, so switch off mean Facebook, what Facebook will do ki you have to put your budget at ad set on each ad set. Okay, and what CBO will do if you put it on, so this will this CBO spend all your budget across your ad set, okay, to get more result depending on your delivery optimization choice and bid strategy, right? So after this CBO, what this do, this will distribute your this ad budget across the ad set. Okay, and which advertisement will perform well now, then Facebook will spend more money on particular advertisement to get the more result, right? So I recommend just switch on this CBO, right? Then go just write down your daily budget. Okay, this is demo, so you can go ahead with daily budget or lifetime budget, right? So I assuming go with the daily budget. Okay, continue. It's demo audience. So in this there are two options in audience. First, you can create a new audience. Okay, and you can select saved audience. Okay, so for creating save audience, let me introduce you first. Okay, so wait, so we'll create a save audience, right? So first, for save audience, you have to go with the audience, see in a left side. Then you have to create a new audience, right? Go to create audience and go to saved audience, right? Now just name it according to your product and services whom you would like to target. Okay, and for targeting I'll there is one video, so you have to go ahead with one more video on targeting part. Okay, so you will understand what is targeting and all. Okay, so just name it your audience, like my FB course audience, right? So in this there are two kind of audience. Custom audience. Okay, so we no need to create a custom audience. I'll teach you later on what is custom audience and how you can create a custom audience. Okay, so you will get data from this advertisement for creating any custom audience or lookalike audience. Okay, so first you have to create a traffic advertisement or any advertisement with the video advertisement with the video. Okay, so that you will get the enough data to create a custom audience. So custom audience we are mostly using for retargeting those who are already engaged with your advertisement. Okay, those who are already visited your website, so we'll analyze with our Facebook pixel and we create a custom audience and we will target again those audience, right? And again with custom audience we can create a look-alike audience. So I'll tell you in the next face. Okay, so location, so I have to choose a location first. So you can add in a bulk. Okay, so there are two options in a location, so you can go ahead with the country wise, okay, and you can go ahead with the state wise. So in a country wise, Facebook selected overall India. In a state like Delhi, okay, so it's selected overall Delhi, right? So in this there are few tips for you. So first you have to identify your targeted location, okay, where you would like to showcase your advertisement. Okay, so your location will be clear. Okay, you could not select any location to advertise. Okay, so as per your product and services, you must aware about your targeted audience location, right? So I selected Delhi. And second thing, if you're not finding any particular location, okay, if you would like to go ahead with a very deep in a micro, okay, so you have to identify the location. Particular in a Delhi, there are few more location, like region wise you can select. Okay, so what you can do, you can drop a pin on a particular location. Okay, so let me, okay, so let me search any. Okay, so I have to advertise my product and services near Naya Bazaar market. Okay, so you are running any school, you are running any hotel, okay, and you are running any particular shop who's serving a nearby location. Okay, anyone can walk in any store. You have any store, so you can target a micro location. Okay, so for micro location you can also search here like Naya Bazaar, okay, so you have to check Naya Bazaar. Okay, if you will not find Naya Bazaar, so what you can do, you can drop this pin to Naya Bazaar. Okay, so you can put like this on Naya Bazaar. Okay, just you have to zoom in and you have to search the location, just click in it and just drop. Okay, so this is how you can go in a micro location. Even you can search on this location here. Okay, even you can browse. Okay, so you have to you would like to go ahead with country. Okay, you have to like go ahead with region or sub location, right? Even you can create a list which location is not there. Okay, with the postal code you can create. Okay, so you have to check which market you require to advertise your product and services, right? So so I selected this Delhi. Okay, let me, so you can one thing more, you can also figure out in this particular area you can go ahead with the radius. Okay, 1 min kilometer, it's mi means kilometer here. Okay, so 1 to 50 kilometer you can also select, right? So in this also there are 4 things: people living in or recently in this location. So it means people whose home and most recent location is within the selected area. Second, people living in this location. Okay, so people whose home is within the selected area. Third is people recently in this location. So it's mainly people who most recent location is within the selected area. The fourth one is people traveling in this area. Means people whose most recent location is within the selected area but whose home is more than a 125 or 200 kilometer away. Okay, so you have to depend on your product and services. Okay, so mostly I preferring this location, people living in and recently in this location. Okay, so select this one first. Then second option is age. So according to my product and services I have to choose age. Okay, so my product is serving 25 to 35 age of group. Gender all. Okay, so language, if you are creating any advertisement in a local language like Gujarati, particular for the Hindi language, Marathi or any language so if you are using any local content, so you can search language over there like Gujarati, okay, even Marathi. Okay, it's up to you, okay. Or if you don't have any particular language serving to all, so just select English, all English, right? Then now detailed targeting. Okay, so what is detailed targeting? So detailed targeting will spend your audience, okay, it's include according to their interest. So there are three things. First is demographic. According to their demographic, you already selected by age, gender, right, by their language. Second is you can select by their interest or by their behavior, okay. So go ahead with demographic first. So in a demographic, Facebook giving options like education according to their education level, right? You can go ahead with the financial, their income level, okay. Then you can go ahead with their live event. They're living away from family, they're away from hometown. So this is for live event as mostly for the real estate companies and for the gifting companies, so that they can target a client who are away from their family, who are looking for a home or for gifts, and others company, somebody anniversary is coming, birthday coming, okay. So this is all about live event, okay. Then parents, they are single, they are they become a parents, okay. So you have to target this kind of parents with the all parents in a relationship, those who are married, single, divorcee, engaged in a relationship, married, open relationship, separated, single, okay. So you can, in a relationship, you can select this kind of people. In a work, so you can go ahead with the employer, those who are working like in a TCS. So I have to give full name Tata. Okay, so you can go ahead with the employer also. Okay, if you would like to target only employer, so you can go ahead with the employer. So then you can target by industry wise, like administrative services, architecture, art, interest, right, construction, education, food, restaurant, IT, installation, legal, right. Then you can target, now it's time to interest. So interest wise is very this target is very much you can say broaded and narrow both, okay. So targeted by interest mean if somebody has an interest in entertainment, okay. So I read any entertainment blog, I follow any celebrity, okay, I follow any page on Facebook, so I can go ahead with the particular I followed games, I followed movie, I followed music. So even my product serving any product and services in a movie industry or entertainment industry, or though in a digital marketing, so in a restaurant, in a food drink, hobbies, okay, in a shopping, so I can go ahead with their interest, okay. So just you have to identify your product, and then you have to compare your product with the your customer buying behavior, right, and their interest, okay, where you can find that kind of customer. Then behavior, okay. So behavior is all about their day-to-day life, what they're doing, what they're using, any mobile phone, they're interested in political views, they're according to their purchasing behavior, they are shoppers, okay. So you can select as per their behavior also, what they much interested in shopping, always they using Android phone, iPhone, okay. So you can go deeper by their behavior also, okay. So for example, if I have some product for iPhone cases, okay, so I will select only those who are using this iPhone, okay. So I don't need to select any other detail, interest or other factors, okay. So I'll go directly to who are using iPhone, okay, and the location and age group, right? And I can easily target them. So this is all about targeting, detailed targeting. Okay, so I'll go ahead with the this digital marketing, because those who are interested in digital marketing, I have to pitch my product to those people, right? So I can go with the, so you can select multi, it's up to you. Okay, so now you can also do exclude people, you can exclude people, even you can narrow audience. Okay, so exclude people means if you don't want anybody who are not your customer, okay, but might be your customer. Okay, if you are in a, what you call, if you are confused, okay, like if I am a real estate developer, okay, and I would not like to show my advertisement to brokers, okay, I would like to showcase my advertisement to only for buyer, okay, this is not for broker, okay, because broker is already doing their advertisement, okay, so I don't need to pitch them broker. So what I can do, I can exclude a broker. Okay, so I can exclude broker. Okay, right, so I can exclude broker, and I narrow down audience. So what I'll do, I add buyer. Okay, buyer means those who are away from their home, those who shifted in particular areas within 1 year, right? So I can narrow down the audience also. Okay, done. And you can also do advertisement if you are running any Facebook page from last 2-3 years, you have good audience in your network. Okay, so you can select people who are like your pages, friends of people who like your pages, even you can exclude people who like your pages. So it means ki if already they followed your page and followed your this thing, followed your company website, so you can exclude. Okay, so you can exclude from here also those who already connected. Okay, so just you have to create a save audience. So save audience is created, right? So during this advertisement, okay, so you can go ahead with the use saved audience. Okay, so what you, FB course audience. Okay, so you have to search here FB course audience. Okay, so you can select from FB, you can select FB course audience here. Okay, so now this is done. Or even if you would like to, you can create a new audience here also. Okay, so in a new audience, just you have to come to create a new audience. Okay, then wait. Okay, so again you have to do the same thing. You can go ahead with the this location, age, gender, then detailed targeting. Okay, detailed targeting, and just you have to save this audience, right? So you can do from here also. Okay, now placement. So placement is not this is not for everyone. Okay, so placement is all about let me introduce you. So in a manual placement, okay, so first understand what is placement. So placement is all about the location, okay, where Facebook is advertising. Okay, so first is Facebook. So Facebook in this Facebook will advertise in Google, in a Facebook newsfeed, Instagram feed, marketplace, video feed, right column, explore, messenger. Okay, so in this there are two things. Okay, if you are like to advertise on Instagram, so just you have to uncheck all and just selected Instagram, right? So Facebook will only advertise in Instagram feed, Instagram explore, okay, in a Instagram stories. Okay, so it's depend on your product and services ki your where you would like to showcase your placement of advertisement, right? So you have to go ahead with this. If you are newbie, so just go ahead with the automatic placement. Okay, so what will do, Facebook will place your advertisement, okay, according to your advertisement, okay, where you will get the more audience. Okay, so if you are running any product and services, you are running any advertisement for Instagram, so just uncheck these three things and just go ahead with the Instagram only. Okay, so you can go ahead with the automatic. So here you can go, just don't check this, just make it as it is, link click. So let me introduce this thing also. So landing pages, or if you are running any advertisement with any landing page, so you can go ahead with the landing page like ClickFunnels, Unbounce, right? And the second thing is the link click. So I'm recommending both. So if you have any particular landing page, so you can go ahead with the landing page view. Okay, if you are running any website, so go ahead with the link click. Then you have to continue. From here you have to select your page that you already created. Okay, in this you can in the last video I told you how to create an Instagram account, so you can check your Instagram account. Okay, now Facebook is asking you have to go ahead with the single image or video collection or cursor. So go ahead with the single image or video, right? Then select your image or video, it's up to you. So I recommended this go ahead with the video. Okay, so selected any video, because what will happen if you would like to create any custom audience, so custom audience giving options to create an audience who already watched your advertisement, so you can easily retarget them again, those who okay, so now time for creating advertisement. Okay, so we already create a campaign, we already create a ad set, that is a second layer. Third is ad. Okay, so for this we required video and content or image or content. Okay, so this is the first layer that you can check. So no need to I'm writing just because your knowledge ki how it's looking. It's okay. So in the first layer you can write, okay, that is looking in this. Okay, the second thing is your headline. So headline will come near this, after this advertisement. Okay, so this will show, wait. So, and in this this is optional, it's up to you, you can write or not. Okay, so select a website, just write down your website address. Okay, where you would like to redirect your this advertisement audience. Okay, so if you don't have any website, so just give me some time, I'll tell you in the next video. I'll tell you how to create a WhatsApp click to chat link. Okay, so that if you don't have any website, or so you can redirect your customer to WhatsApp chat. Even you can create this Insta Mojo page. Okay, there you can also redirect your customer. Okay, so let me Okay, so in this video I'm telling you how you can redirect your, if you don't have any website. So just give me a few moment. Okay, so let's create first click to chat. Okay, so for this you have to search click to chat WhatsApp. Okay, so go to how to use click to chat WhatsApp. Okay, just go to example, just copy this. Okay, paste in a new browser. Okay, now it shows this is your number, this is your phone number, right? So let me, okay, so in this, this is your WhatsApp number first. Okay, so just wait, so just write down your WhatsApp number in this. Okay, so I put my WhatsApp number. Now it shows text. What is text? Okay, so for text you never go ahead with direct text, right? This will not work. So for this you have to go ahead with the URL encoder text. Okay, so just go ahead with the URL encoder, urlencoder.org. just write down hi Saurabh, I need more detail. Need more details about your FP course, right? Then I go ahead and encode this. Then I'll copy this and I'll put in a text. Okay, I'll put, so this is how I created my word click to chat link. Okay, then I copy this, okay, and I'll put it over there. So it's depend on you. Okay, if you have any website URL, you can put, even you can redirect your customer to WhatsApp also. Okay, so you can put over there, just enter. So it shows wait, it shows in red. Okay, so forget this. Okay, so first check this link. Okay, this link is working or not. Okay, so anybody click here, it's go to this. Okay, hi Saurabh, need more detail about your FB course. Okay, then he'll send, and if he using a WhatsApp web, they can send directly. Otherwise by phone he can send directly from their phone, if they are visiting your Facebook advertisement on your phone. Okay, so I'm showing you how it's working. So for WhatsApp web, just you have to go ahead with the web and this will start working. Okay, so this is how we created a click to chat option. Okay, so you can go ahead with this. Okay, second option, if you don't have any website, so you can go ahead with InstaMojo or any online store. Okay, so you can select your you can create your product, just select it. Okay, just select the URL and just put it here. Okay, so So here you have three options. First, you can go ahead with your website. If you don't have any website, you can create your what. If you would like to redirect your customer to your WhatsApp chat, you can create a link over there and you can send. If you don't have any product and services page, you can go ahead with the InstaMojo, create an account, and you can share your product link here. Okay, so this is a CTA. This is a CTA. So here you have option, you can check get more offer. Okay, you can select learn more, request time. Okay, so it's up to you which CTA you are using. Okay, and this is a display link, which link you would like to showcase. So mostly just use your name or your website if you have any website, otherwise you can left it, it's optional. Okay, so done. Okay, so I already taught you about the Facebook pixel, so it's already selected. Okay, and then confirm. So it's done. Or you can show this advertisement at your ad manager. Okay, just go to ad manager and you can check. Okay, so this advertisement is done. It's showing there few things is pending, so go to review and publish it. Okay, so it shows unable to publish some change. Okay, because I have not written something. Okay, so I can go ahead with edit. I'll check what I have not written here. So I have not this is done, this is done. Okay, so it shows in review. Okay, so it shows in review. So I already selected. Okay, done. So let me, so this advertisement is complete. Okay, so after review, Facebook will approve it. It just shows like this. If Facebook approved, it shows like this. I'm telling you, all these advertisement is so it shows like this. Let me. So you can check it's it shows in review, right? So after review, Facebook after 2-3 hours, Facebook will activate after checking your advertisement, Facebook will activate your advertisement, right? And you can check your advertisement here. Just click, just go to, just check this, go to add, just check this, go to preview, and you can check your advertisement, right? So you have to go to add preview, go to desktop, and you can check your advertisement link and all. Okay, so you can check if this link is working or not. All things are coming properly, right? So you can check your advertisement also after creating an advertisement. So for now I'm deleting this because this is not for me. Okay, done. Hey friends, so in this video I'll teach you, I already teached you about how to create a traffic advertisement. If you don't have any website or landing page, so I taught you how to create a click to chat through WhatsApp. Okay, so you can send your customer to WhatsApp chat, right? Or even you don't have any product page, you can create an account on InstaMojo. There you can put your product and you can redirect your customer to the InstaMojo product. There they can buy your product. Okay, thank you friends. In the next video I'll teach you about the engagement post, how to create an engagement advertisement and post. Thank you.